Adding captions to your videos in edits is an important thing to know how to do because 85% of videos on social media are watched without sound. So I'm going to take you through how to add your captions, how to do them manually and to do them automatically, the styling and the adjusting. But we need to start that timer. So let's get underway. Time underway. Right, so open up edits. So I've had to do a little bit of preparing as always when I'm going to show people how to do stuff. And I've recorded a little bit of that first section as my video, and we're going to add captions to that. So first of all, you want to head over to the third icon, which is your projects tab, and you want to start a new project. So hit new project, go to your gallery, and there should be a video in there waiting for me, which is this one here. And I'm going to move that and press that one. Done. Now, it's added my video for me. So there's my video as we can see. Now, first of all, obviously you can select that and you've got all your options for that video. But if you keep it unselected, I'm going to show you how to automatically add captions first. And then we'll go back and add them manually. So, first of all, if you can see down the bottom here, you've got CC captions. Okay, so if you want to scroll along to that and tap that, now it's going to give you some options. And your options are generate from a video, which we want to do. We want to generate from that video. You can't actually select anything else anyway. It may have other sounds, other audio, other different types of video that you can select. Spoken language, it's auto detecting, and I'm going to select English, but I'm going to leave it for auto detect. But obviously it's got a few languages in there for people to pick from as well, which is a really great feature to make sure you are adding languages that are native to your own tongue, but also to your audience, which is really good. Style, so if you pick that, you can actually pick a style that already exists. Now remember, we can make our own style later on, but this one we can pick one that already exists. I'm going to go for something really simple. I'll go for this, pick a style, this one here, and leave it as that, and go back. And then transcription controls. You can show punctuation, title case, which is lowercase and uppercase, and show curse words. Fine, there's no curse words in here, so we're all good. So then I go back, and now you've got the big button, and I'm just going to hit generate captions. Now this might take a little while, so in the meantime, I can tell you about the series. In this series, I'm doing a different video on edits every single day for this month. Work day, so no weekends. I get to chill out and plan more videos. And they're all tutorials to do with Instagram edits. So if you're interested in that, make sure you are subscribed. If you've got anything you want me to show you, especially in the later episodes, most of them are planned out, but I've got a few gaps. So leave your questions and or suggestions, and I'll get to those. But yeah, make sure you hit subscribe. Right, so here you can see straight away on top of the video it's added the blue captions, and now you're going to always want to go through and check to make sure that the spelling is okay, that it's picked up the right word, so you've said it clearly or haven't mumbled, or it hasn't joined words together or thought it said a certain word. So we're going to want to double check those. So this is the videos using edits, and as you can see, it's populated it really quickly and really well, to be honest, in terms of what it said it was going to do. It did it quickly, it's added the style on, and it looks like it's got most of the wording right from what I can see. Anyway, but just in case it hasn't, so let's assume we wanted to change something. I think something in here, let's just say here. You could tap that, and then tap the yellow box around on the video, and then when you do that you can see all your captions. Okay, so you can see what minute is what, and you can make the edits. You've got also additional styles, so you can then change your style afterwards. You can highlight particular words, so let's just say there's the 85%. We want to highlight that word. As you can see, it's yellow. Then highlight style, we can change that to orange. My brown color, we can change the size if we want to, make that larger. I'm going to put it back down to what it was, because that's fine. Or you can remove all of your highlights if you press remove all. So that's always good, a good feature to know. And if you come back to and play, you'll see that that one is now orange on the 85%, which is really great. Now, what you can also do is move your captions. So if you want them to appear in different places, we can have that one there, And then we can say this one we want to appear up here, and then when it jumps back down, we want it to jump back down here, keeping things moving for your audience to keep them kind of engaged potentially, but also what you've once you move it, mistake. Once you move it, it moves it for all of them. They're all linked and joined together. I actually didn't know that myself until right this second. I thought you can move it around. But what I was actually going to say though is you don't really want to make your text, if it's captions, word for word, jump around, because when you're reading something, if it keeps moving, you're probably going to miss the timings. So you want to kind of keep it. The only difference to that is if you create your own captions, which are like a little bit abbreviated or just like highlights of keywords, then it can kind of jump around, especially mainly when they're short and sharp, not long sentences. So it's actually really good that the captions do keep and link. And what's really good if you see the yellow areas on that screen, shows you where you won't be able to see it anymore. So you want it always above and like guides as to what blocks it on Instagram edits. So that's automatically, and as you can see from automatically, it's really simple. It's a tap of, a button and select some options and off you go. Now, yes, you do need to go in there and double check and have a read through and make sure everything is okay. I wanted to see if there was anything. You might not want capital letters. You might want full stops. You might, and I'm going to try this off the cuff, you might want to change it for a different timing. So let's just say I want to do that. There we go. That's why I've added another one. So it will generate a new line rather than be a big lump of text. I'll do it again where there's the 85%, so we can see there, and then obviously we can go back, and now you'll see I've added in an additional bit and broken it up a bit so it's not as bulky in the text and how it appears. Anyway, let's move on to adding it ourselves. So from that we got how to do it. Make sure you select CC down the bottom, captions. You've got your options there. Once you've done it, you then have to edit it and tweak it, and you can change obviously. Also you should be able to change fonts by going into style, and this is what we're going to do in a second, going into this bit. So what I did is tapped on the text, tapped again on the yellow box, and then tapped on style, and then we can change the font, the colors, the background, the actual wording if we want to of that line, alignment, animations, all those kind of stuff. Okay, so you can do that, but now we're going to do that manually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get rid of, so this says adding captions to your videos is important. Using edits. Okay, adding captions to your videos using edits. So I'm going to delete that. Delete that one. Delete phrase or all captions. Just delete that. And we're going to add this one in manually. So to do that, we're just going to hit text. And we're going to say adding captions to your videos using edits. So as you can see, this is quite manual in terms of the automatic version is a lot quicker, save you a lot of time. But the difference is you might not actually want every single word for word. In some cases you will, in some cases you won't. You just want text kind of flashing up. So for this one, we might just put adding captions and then put using edits, okay? But just so you know what it looks like, what we can do with it, we've then got the words there. We can change the font to classic. We can make the font smaller so it fits on two lines. We can change the alignment, which would go back here and move the alignment there. We can put a background on it if you see like that. And there we go. I know it's different from the other text, but just to give you an example, we can do that fairly simple. But let's just say we want some really big text or just some keywords. Let's get rid of, we're just going to keep adding captions. And we're just going to make this really large, and we're going to actually make it two lines like this. And then we're going to do like this. We're going to find a slightly different font, and we're going to remove the background. So we're going to go over to here. We're going to go like there we go, a bubble. We're going to get rid of that. And we're going to have it like that. So now it might say some certain thing, but just that will come up. And maybe we want it to come up there. And then it goes into my captions. Okay, so and again, you can play around with color here. So we can tap on here and change the color. We'll do orange. We can do an animation. So we can do, there we go, I wouldn't use that one, but that's just me. Here you go, reveal, adding captions. There we go. So you can add animations. And this is the two ways. One's automatically, one's quite manual, but both ways adding captions. When you're done, You can export, of course, but there you go. You've got a variety of different ways of adding your captions. Any questions about adding captions, let me know. Anything you want to do specifically, leave it in the comments. But that was a tutorial all about adding captions to your videos. So I hope you found it helpful. Make sure you subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the future videos that are coming up. And that is all within and under 10 minutes. Did it again. Peace.